In this lesson, we're going to analyze data, and we're going to look at the data that we're given to answer some questions. This data given here represents the ages of the children who attend the South Street Daycare Center. The ages can vary from 14 all the way down to 2. All right, let's answer some questions. What was the minimum age? Minimum means the smallest. So if we look at our data, what was the maximum age? The maximum means the greatest. The maximum minus the minimum will give us our range. Mode means which piece of data appears the most. So which number do you see appearing the most times? The median means that if we put all our data in order from smallest to greatest, what number would end up being in the middle of our data? Okay, so let's go ahead and use our data to answer each of these questions. First, let's look at the minimum. If we look at all our numbers, the smallest number that we have is 2. So we can say that the minimum age is 2. Now for the maximum, you try to find what is the greatest number or the largest number. Out of all our data, 14 seems to be our largest number. So the greatest age or the maximum is 14. The range would simply be 14 take away 2, which gives us 12. Now, if we want to find the mode, let's look and see which number appears the most. As we look through all of our numbers, we can tell that 6 appears twice, 4 appears 3 times, 12 appears twice, 10 appears twice, and all the other numbers don't seem to appear more than the 4 does. So in this example, we can say that 4 is our mode because it appears more than any other number. Now we want to find the median, the number that lies in the middle. So before we can do that, we have to order all of these data from smallest to greatest. So let's go ahead and do that. After we've ordered our numbers from smallest to greatest, what we have to do is we have to cross out one number from each side simultaneously until we get to the number or numbers that are in the middle. If we end up with one number in the middle, that's going to be our median. If we end up with 2 numbers in the middle, we have to take the average of both of those numbers to get our median value. As we cancel them out, we find that 6 and 7 end up being in the middle of our data set. So we have to take the average of 6 and 7, which is 6.5 or 6.5. That means that for this data set, the median is equal to 6.5.